Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Nikhil Naik. So today video will be all about weekly analysis. Okay, so I have shortlisted few stocks for you guys to keep them on the watch list for a week. Okay, so we'll be doing the analysis also and see the logic behind it, and I'm going to like toggle between English and Hindi because both the audience, my English audience and the Hindi audience, should be comfortable. Okay, so pehla stock hai BHEL. All right, on a daily time frame, if you see, the stock is in a good uptrend. Okay, so whenever a stock is in an uptrend, kabhi na kabhi to usko niche aana hi hai. Okay, the stock can't just move in one direction. All right, so how to recognize a change in a trend? Basically, whenever a stock moves in one direction, there should be a halt. All right, a halt should be in the form of consolidation. Okay, यहाँ पे अगर देखा जाए, if I go on a lower time frame like 2 hours, okay, यहाँ पे एक अच्छा खासा consolidation हुआ है stock का, and then again on 14th of July we saw a gap down. All right, but is this trend going to be continued or not, वो देखते हैं एक बार. Okay, अगर मैं hourly time frame पे देखूँ, एक अच्छा खासा ब्रेकआउट हो चुका है इसका. ओके, उसको जनरली हम बॉस कंसिडर करते हैं, विच इज द ब्रेक ऑफ अ स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, तो अभी फिलहाल मेरे लिए डिमांड जोन आता है इस रीजन पे, विच इज अराउंड 56 एंड 52 रुपीज. ओके, इस प्राइस के बीच में हम बाय करेंगे इसको, बट उसमें भी डायरेक्टली बाय नहीं, जब भी अगर टच किया और बाय करना है, वी विल वेट फॉर अ गुड स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मेशन. ओके, अभी ये स्टॉक इतना अप ट्रेंड में था कि जब भी ये एरिया में आएगा, इट वोंट बाउंस directly from here like this. It will make structure like this. Okay, so अभी क्या ट्रेड बनता है इस पे? Okay, अभी अगर लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पे देखो, लाइक 15 मिनट्स और 30 मिनट्स पे, वी आर on a downtrend. Okay, so on a higher time frame we are bullish, on a lower time frame we are bearish. That means stock एक पुल बैक के लिए आ रहा है. ओके, स्टॉक एक पुल बैक के लिए आ रहा है. तो मैं देखूंगा कि ये रेंज अगर कल ब्रेक करता है स्टॉक, ये रेंज अगर कल ब्रेक करता है स्टॉक, so I can look for a intraday shorting opportunity for this area as my targets. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे देखा जाओ तो इक्वल हाइस ब्रीच किया है इसने, इक्वल लोज भी ब्रीच किया है इसने. दैट मीन्स लिक्विडिटी हंट हो चुका है फ्रॉम बोथ दी साइड्स. ओके, रिटेलर्स के साइड से लिक्विडिटी हंट हो चुका है. ओके, सो स्टिल द बायस ऑफ द स्टॉक इज बुलिश, नो डाउट, बट एंट्री कहाँ से ले जाए वो रहेगा. ऑप्टिमल एंट्री विल बी दिस प्राइस. ओके, सो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट स्टॉक. नेक्स्ट स्टॉक इज टाटा मोटर्स. टाटा मोटर्स में अपने डिस्कॉर्ड ग्रुप में भी डाल चुका हूँ और इवन लाइव ट्रेडिंग में भी बहुत बार रेकमेंड किया था. ओके, ऑन अ डेली टाइम फ्रेम ऑब्वियसली स्टॉक एक गुड मोमेंटम में था, बुलिश मोमेंटम. ओके, बट मैंने क्या बताया लास्ट स्टॉक पे कि स्टॉक हमेशा एक ट्रेंड में नहीं रहता, इट हैज टू go for some correction. Okay, we have, अभी यहाँ पे देखो, वी हैव इक्वल हाइज एंड वी हैव इक्वल लोज. ओके, और जो ये लास्ट रेड कैंडल है, इट स्टिल हैवंट बीन टेस्टेड. ओके, ऑन अ डेली टाइम फ्रेम the stock is in a distribution phase. Okay, so we have a pretty good range if the stock stays in this range to trade. Okay, so this lower uh, lows and highs are haven't been breached. Okay, that means liquidity abhi tak grab nahi ki hai stock pe. So my optimal entry on this stock will be around at this price when we see a breach of this equal lows. Okay, on a daily time frame, we still haven't grabbed the liquidity here. Okay, बस एक बार हुआ था, उधर से स्टॉक ने स्पाइक दे दिया था। ओके, अगर यहाँ से एक रिवर्सल आता है स्टॉक एंड वी डोंट सी दिस लेवल अगेन on a lower time frame, how to enter in the stock? Okay, let's do it. On a lower time frame, डाउन ट्रेंड में था। ओके, ये एक अच्छा accumulation एरिया बन रहा है। ओके, एंड the best thing is we are also seeing multiple break of a structure. Okay, multiple break of a structure. All right, so my optimal entry will be, let's go on a higher time frame, 2 hours. Okay, my optimal entry will be this price here. Why, I will tell you. We have seen this highs in breach. Okay, and we are also making equal lows down here. Okay, equal lows down here. So definitely it will grab the liquidity. Doing that, it will also come back to this level. And if you know the psychology behind this, gaps always do get filled. Okay, so this here, this support can be our first entry. So for example, if you're buying 100 shares on Tata Motors, we can buy 50 shares at this price and 50 shares at this price here. The stop loss will be below it. Okay, and your target will be this high. All right, which is a good 5% move. Okay, I don't know if it will come in intraday or it may be also give you good opportunity in swing trading too. Okay, so let's see next stock. Next stock is Jindal Steel. Jindal Steel is giving a good structure. All right, so on a daily time frame, we were on a good uptrend. Okay, a good uptrend के बाद एक halt लिया उसने at around 500 के आसपास. Okay, and then we saw stock has been struggling for like choosing a trend. Okay, but on 26th of July, we saw a good breakout of that range. Okay, so let's see on a lower time frame. When on 26th of July, when it gapped up, and this first candle formed in the form of red color. Okay, that means sellers were active here. Okay, they immediately sold the stock, but buyers hold that range and then start continue buying that. Okay, so here what you can do is we have a break of a structure here. Okay, liquidity is already been grabbed here, and after grabbing that liquidity we saw a trend of a stock was bullish. Okay, so on a higher time frame, let's look for a demand area. Consider this as my demand area. If the stock comes to that area, I will look for buying opportunities. Okay, and my target will be this high. This high will be my targets, and my second target will be at this price. Let's go on a higher time frame. And my last and final target would be this price, which is 486. Okay, so this multiple highs could be our possible targets if the trend continues. Okay, because we were in a good range, and after on 26th of July we broke that range. Okay, see, there can be two conditions. Either it can come down and bounce from this level. See, trading is all about probability. Okay, you can't predict each and every moment in a stock market. Yes or no? So हम देखेंगे कि यहाँ से रिजेक्शन आ रहा है कि नहीं एट फ्रॉम दिस लेवल्स. आर वी गेटिंग एनी रिजेक्शंस और नॉट. ओके, और रिजेक्शन होने के बाद भी रीटेस्ट हो रहा है कि नहीं. आफ्टर रीटेस्ट you are good to go. Okay, if you are interested in my live trading, you can join me in my live trading, so we can also discuss the stocks, how to take entries on the stocks during the live trade. If you are interested, just DM me on my Instagram, which is at the rate the boss trader, BOOSTRADERS. Okay, I'll be also putting that link in my video description. Okay, so let's see next stop, IndusInd Bank. Okay, even I think I'll be posting Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis on my Instagram page. But looking at Bank Nifty right now, uh, IndusInd Bank also look kind of bullish. Okay, we have grabbed the liquidity from the downside. After grabbing the liquidity, the stock pushed to the upside. Okay, so on a lower time frame, I will definitely look for buying opportunity at this price. Okay, we have tested this price multiple times. If it opens flat tomorrow, we can easily buy this stock at this price. Okay, and my target will be this high, which is 1034 rupees. Okay, and stop loss could be below this low. Okay, even though if the stock gap up, we'll wait for some structural formation and then enter at our order block levels. Okay, let's see next stop. It is Dabur. On a daily time frame perspective, Dabur is on a good uptrend. Okay, and on a daily time frame, we are still in a range. Okay, yesterday, sorry, not yesterday, on 30th of July, we saw it's try to give a breakout of that range. All right, let's look on a lower time frame. Lower time frame में क्या दिखा है दे रहा है? First, ये जो equal highs है, ये जो equal highs है अभी तक breach नहीं हुए हैं. ठीक है, so I will wait कि डाबर आइदर ये हाइस को ब्रीच करके लिक्विडिटी ग्रैब करके नीचे आ रहा है, या फिर it is in a continuous trend. Okay, we can't predict because अगर फंडामेंटली देखा जाए, फंडामेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टॉक है. Okay, so people will try to enter in the stock at any point of time. Okay, so we'll wait for some price action and then only we are going to take entries based on this. Okay, if we reverse from this high after liquidity grab and we spot any kind of order block at this level, we can again look for a shorting opportunity on this particular sector. Okay, why I'm telling you that is, if you look at this area right here, look at this area right here. Okay, we were creating equal highs, yes or no? And then after breaching that equal highs, we came back again down. Okay, so that means people are trying to sell it on a higher level. So tomorrow, if we see a similar pattern just like this, we can look for selling opportunity in Dow. We can trade in between this range, but obviously थोड़ा सतर्क रहना है stock पे because it is a fundamentally strong stock. Okay, this can also give you good um, swing trading opportunity and also intraday trading opportunity. The next is Cholamandalam. Okay, on a daily time frame, same, we are in a strong range, and as you see, like on a one single day, we saw a spike of around 7%. Okay, so that is huge. All right, so obviously it won't give uh, an intraday momentum, but it will consolidate for few days, I guess. Why I'm telling you, see, whenever a stock gives a one directional move, okay, whenever a stock gives a one directional move, either there is a sharp profit booking or there is a good amount of consolidation, and then we saw can see a breakout from the upside or the downside. Okay, but looking at the same using the same psychology as the Dabur stock, we can assume that there are equal highs. Equal highs are still to be breached. Okay, yeah, we can see that we have already break that high and the stock pushed to the downside, but I want more information on this stock. Okay, so this evic is not that powerful, or looking at that on a lower time frame doesn't look that much uh, to me. Okay, we still have this upper levels to be breached. Okay, so I think so. If we get a good opportunity, if the stock goes up, we can look for good opportunity for buying in this particular sector. Okay, and but immediate target will be this high, which is around 960 and 955. Okay, let's we have equal highs to be breached, so there is enough liquidity to the upside. So grabbing all this liquidity up here, grabbing all this equal highs, it will definitely give a good spike to the upside. Okay, just hitting all the stop losses from the retailers. Okay, as you see here, just example at this price, where there were equal highs, the stock just went up, then it gave some correction. Okay, so it was just two equal highs. There are one, two, three equal highs, and actually four. This is also a equal high. Okay, so if consider this, if there are 100 crores worth of stop losses up at this particular price, isn't that stock going to give a good impulse move to the upside if all the stop loss is going to hit stock? Yeah, sure. If all the stop loss is अगर market order में चले गए, ठीक है, short covering तो आना ही है. So जो लोग यहाँ ये level पे short थे, they will cover all their shorts position and uh, cover into मतलब जो short position थे, they will either come into long position, convert their position into long position, or book their losses. So those sub scenarios में we can I guess expect a gap up in this particular sector. Let's see tomorrow what happens. I will update you on my Instagram stories. Okay. The next stock is Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement making a good consolidation for a past few days. Okay, breaching equal highs, grabbing the liquidity, sell off, equal highs, grabbing the liquidity, we can expect a good seller. Let's see what happens. Okay, if I go on a lower time frame, like 5 minutes, let's see, let's see on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so we have a order block here. Okay, we have an order block. We have also breached that order block for a good stop loss. Okay, so in our mentorship, there is a thing called whenever there is a stop loss and a breakover structure, that setup will be a good winning rate setup. Okay, so I think so. If any shorting opportunity you get at around 413, we can look at each lows. Like there are equal lows here. Okay, so this will be our first target, which is around 405. Then this low will be our second target, and our final target will be this low. Okay, if the momentum is strong, we will definitely cover this equal lows also. So there is enough liquidity below it. Okay, but there is also a strong rejection from this level. So my final target will be 319 levels. Okay, and the um, commodity sectors also look kind of weak. So all these three levels could be a good targets for Ambuja Cement. Okay, just saying the logic behind it, we are creating like good equal lows uh, on the lower levels. Okay, so that can be a good liquidity grab for the institutions. Okay, so my entry will be around 412. My stop loss will be less. You can either keep 0.5% or this high as your optimal stop losses. Okay, and my final exit will be right here. We'll obviously look at price action, how the price behaves, and according to that, we will be deciding where to exit. Okay, so this is L&T Technology. On a higher time frame, it's like completely in a bullish momentum. Okay, and on a lower time frame like hourly chart, you see there was a breach of highs, but buyers were so strong that they want to push the price even more further. Okay, so I don't think so there will be any drastic profit booking in this particular sector. Okay, so where would I have enter at this stock? Okay, right now I will wait for it to grab the liquidities from this VIX. Okay, VIX are always considered as a hidden order block levels. Okay, if you go on a like smaller time frames, you will definitely get a one single red candle from which where the market order has been placed and the stock just shoot up from those levels. Okay, so I'll wait for entries at this price. Okay, so this can be a good swing trade also, or if there is good buying at this price, if this lows is been protected, if this lows has been protected, I can easily buy at this price somewhere here. Target will be obviously this high, and if this lows has been protected, I will keep a stop loss below this lows. Okay, because whenever there is an impulse move, that there is an institutional participation, and institutions don't want their stop loss to get hit. Okay, so we'll be keeping this lows as our stop loss levels. All right, let's go next. It is SBI Life. Okay, let's see on a daily time frame. Daily time frame, good bullish momentum. I guess so. There may be a good profit booking in the stock. Let's do our analysis. Sorry. Okay. The top-down analysis is much more important than just looking at one time frame. Okay. Market are fractals. Okay, each time frame will show you different pictures, so that's why having a perspective of a higher time frame is much important than just doing random analysis on stocks. Okay, so we have a breakout of structure here. That means we have grabbed the liquidity from the downside. I'll be looking at entries at this order block level. Okay, my target will be either this low, which is 1091, or this equal lows because there will be enough liquidity to the downside. Okay, so this will be my final target. My first target will be this equal lows. There are also equal lows. Okay, so this can be a good entry, sorry, exit point for us. Sorry, a stop loss will be 0.5 or this particular high. Let's see on a lower time frame. Okay, so here also there are equal highs. Okay, so always consider that there will be a stop loss hunt, retest to this order block level, and then we can look for short entries. Why I'm telling you that is, if you look at here, we are creating equal highs. There was great liquidity grab and market came down. Okay, so same thing can happen here. Okay, there were equal lows here. We grabbed the sell liquidity, market decided to go down, and this was the order block level. So this can be a good shorting opportunity in this particular counter. So this is last and final stock is Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital, from past few days or past few months, it is a good uptrend. Okay, so shorting on this particular sector will be a kind of a risky thing, but looking at our order blocks and strategies, let's see. Equal highs, liquidity grab, breakover structure. Let's go on a higher time frame. Equal highs, liquidity grab, breakover structure. Okay, right now the stock is in that area only. Okay, so here we have equal lows. Okay, that is there is enough liquidity to the downside. So we haven't grabbed that liquidity yet. Okay, there are no equal lows here, so I'm not interested at this levels. Okay, so we'll be looking at this levels itself. This will be my optimal entry point at this particular stock. If it comes even more below that, we'll be looking at this and order block level. Okay, just keep it a little bit higher. All right. So if you are a swing trader, you can buy few shares at this price, which is 3923, and few shares at 3829. Okay, let's apply Fibonacci on it. All right, so my optimal entry will be around this level. I will wait for some stop loss hunt to be happening here. Okay, after a stop loss hunt, a retest, and uske baad I will have this high as my targets. All right. So thank you so much, guys. This was the watch list for a week. And if you are interested in joining my live trading session, just DM me on my Instagram. The link will be provided in the description, okay, down below. And make sure if you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to continue looking at these videos, okay, I will be posting more and more weekly analysis each and every day. Even I will be doing top down analysis and breakout of those particular stocks. Okay, so if you are interested, hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.